Hi everyone, welcome back to my Python training. In the introductory video, I mentioned that there are two pieces of software we need to get started. The first one is Python software itself. That needs to be installed on your PC or Mac. The second one is a tool that we need to help us write code. It's called an integrated development environment, or an IDE, and there are many IDEs available to program in Python. The one we're going to use is an excellent application called PyCharm. So we're going to download and install these applications in this video. To install Python, we head over to the python.org site and click on Downloads. I'll download 3.7 for a Mac. If you're watching this video at a later date, it's best to select the latest version. So we'll continue with the install. It's pretty straightforward. And we're done. So to download PyCharm, we go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm and we go to download. And we want to download the community version of PyCharm. Once that is downloaded, we run the install. Again, pretty straightforward. Drag it to the applications. And we have installed both Python and PyCharm. So that was pretty painless. We installed all the software we need to write our code in Python. So in the next video, we're going to launch PyCharm, configure it, and write our first Python program. See you then.